What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a walk around of my 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse GSX. So this was a 2GA DSM, and I converted the front to a 2GB front bumper, and then I kept the 2GA side skirts. As you can tell, it has a silver, and then the back I also converted to a 2GB bumper, and then I added a carbonetics diffuser, really nice. And then I also have some EDM tail lights. I have a VIS carbon hatch. This is a special carbon fiber wing. And let's see what else. I have a carbon fiber gas cap. I got the Enki Evo rims, and then I also have the 0506 big brake kit for the Outlander. So to do that, you just have to get this bracket. It's like a bigger bracket that pushes the brake caliper out more. Got it at the junkyard, both sides, for like 20 bucks. And then I bought the slotted rotors and brake pads from a website. So yeah, it's a little bigger than stock, so like fills in the wheel more. And then on the rear, I also do have upgraded brake calipers, not the brake calipers, the brake disc brakes on there. So yeah, and then in the front we also do have a carbonetics inlet for the headlight to let more cold air in there, cool down the engine. And then I have a, I believe I'm not sure if it's an ETS intercooler with CX Racing intercooler piping. This is a 3-inch, and then the piping goes to 2.5. And then I also do have a VIS carbon hood, which I got an offer up for 100 bucks a while ago. The only reason it was 100 bucks is because of this. It's kind of chipped, but eventually I get that fixed. So for my interior, I have a carbonetics airbag delete tray. I also have, I'm not sure what brand the kicker panels that are on carbon are, because I picked those up in San Diego, as well with the center dash and the headliner. I don't know if you guys can see, is also carbon. Let me get some light up there. As you guys can see, headliner is carbon. I also have the armrest cover in carbon, and then I do have the cluster bezel in carbon as well, and OEM seats, OEM floor mats. And in the back I have an auto power roll cage, and I also removed the seat buckles from the back. Makes it a little cleaner. But yeah, pretty much the interior is all original except for all the carbon you see in there. And I only have one gauge in here. It's an old school Greddy turbo gauge. It came with the car. But yeah, I still got my original floor mats, original shifter, and the shifter boot. I also do have 2 original GSX radios that I'm gonna be putting one of those back in here, because I don't like that like digital look. So yeah, that's it for the interior. Let's check out the engine bay. All right, now for the engine bay. I have a DC sports strut bar. I have a JMF oil cap cover, and also those 2 JMF covers for the clutch and the brake. And then I have a Rally Art spark plug cover, FP manifold cover. I have FP headers, the turbo manifold. I have a Evo 316G with the J pipe for the front mounts. I have Mishimoto slim fans. I did put this one on the other side just so there'd be more space. All right, and I have the Rally Art cover for the radiator cap, Greddy ball valve. I have a 3-inch FP recirculated intake with a K&N filter as well, and then the CX Racing intercooler piping. I also have a EGR block off plate back there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I deleted all the EGR lines because it cleans it up a little. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also I do have upgraded like internals in the head. I have BC 272 cams in there, so it's nice and choppy. And then I also have torque solution motor mount on this side, and also you guys can see, I don't know if you can see that, but the transmission side is also torque solutions. And then down there I have a tubular bull fab front member brace, I believe, with the polyurethane transmission mount, and the back one is just stock. I still have to get one for there. But yeah, and that's pretty much it for the engine bay. So for the exhaust, I have a stock O2 housing, and then I have an Apexi N1 downpipe to just a 3-inch straight pipe. I deleted the resonators and the cat, but right now I'm not running an exhaust because I took off my HKS high power just because I like the sound of the turbo spooling. Sounds pretty cool.